Hi, in front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening settings and clicking on connection and sharing right away. Following that, select printing, click on system printing service and wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use a different service, disable this one first. Go back, tap on Add Service and download the best one for your printer. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!